Every week, investors review hundreds of startup pitches. Some ideas get funded, most don't. And here's the interesting part. It's usually not because the idea wasn't innovative. It's because the business case wasn't convincing enough. As someone who regularly interacts with founders and businesses exploring digital products, I've noticed one common question. I have a great app idea. Will the investors fund it? The answer is, a great idea is alone rarely enough. Investors are looking for evidence that your app can become a scalable and a sustainable business. Let's look at what that means. First, is there a real market need? The first thing investors try to understand is simple. What problem are you solving? And who has this problem? The stronger the pain point, the bigger the opportunity. Successful companies didn't start by building random products. They started by solving real problems. Uber addressed unreliable transportation. Airbnb addressed the lack of affordable and flexible accommodation options. The opportunity became large because the problems were real and widespread. The second part is there proof of demand? An idea is hypothesis. Demand is validation. Investors look for signals that people actually want that specific solution. Questions they often ask include, have you spoken with potential users? Have customers shown interest? Is there early traction? Have users tested the concept? Even small indicators can be powerful because investors want to see evidence, not assumptions. Third, is market large enough? Investors think long-term. They ask, if this succeeds, how big can it become? A product may solve a genuine problem, but if the market opportunity is too small, attracting investment becomes really difficult. Investors are looking for products that can grow across larger customer segments, industries, or geographies. Scalability is the major part of investment decision. The fourth thing they want to know is this specific team positioned to win? Investors invest in people as much as the products. They evaluate the founders and leadership team. Do they understand the market? Do they understand their customers? Can they execute consistently? And the investors know execution often matters more than the original idea itself. The fifth part is there a clear path to building a business? An app may be useful, but can it become a business? Investors want to understand how the customers will be acquired. How will they be retained? What is the revenue model? Can the business scale efficiently? Because ultimately, the investors are not funding applications. They're funding growth opportunities. At Apptunix, many conversations with founders begin with technology. But very quickly, the discussion becomes much broader. Who is the customer? What is the market opportunity? How will the product create value? How will it scale? Before writing code, it's important to build confidence across business opportunity. Some of the strongest products we've worked on started with clear market validation. They started with focused problem statements and well-defined growth strategies. If you're preparing to raise an investment for your app idea, you need a real problem, a validated market need, a scalable opportunity, and a team capable of turning on an idea into a business. At Apptunix, we help businesses move beyond the ideas and build products with strong foundations. We build them with clear strategies and real market potential. Because funding doesn't start with a pitch deck. It starts with proving that your idea deserves to exist. If you have an app idea but not sure where to start, let's have a conversation. We would be happy to understand your idea, discuss its market potential, identify the right technology approach, and help you build a roadmap to bring it to life.